let me put it this way. Well, a time of realization comes in everybody's life when they start finding about purpose in life. Okay, so fortunately for me, being at the right place at the right time, it came 5 years back when I was working with Tata Group in steel sector, and I was doing well in my 10 years of career. See, basically, there is a very beautiful thing about working with Tata Group. Actually, the whole environment supports your inner core values. And yes, those core values which are ingrained in every single individual. However, the right kind of atmosphere is required to enhance those values. And I believe personally, the empathy is the value which is very important when you are thinking about social enterprise, or you are thinking about uh, going to launch something in social space. While working with Tata Group, I got exposed to this powerful world of professional volunteering through Tata Group platform known as ProEngage. So the idea behind the ProEngage is very beautiful idea. So you have to contribute to the, for social good based on your core competence or based on your expertise. See, I was the part of first batch of ProEngage, and during that 6 months of ProEngage, something changed inside me. Uh, During the ProEngage, I met amazing co-volunteers from uh, different Tata Group companies, and I firsthand I seen the groundwork which NGO is doing, and becoming part of it. It helped me a lot to find my purpose in life. As I mentioned earlier, empathy is the crucial value someone has to have when they are thinking about social entrepreneurship or anything you want to do in social space. And along with that, the right kind of exposure is very much necessary. So when empathy meets with the right kind of exposure, then magic happens. When somebody wants to explore entrepreneurship opportunities, so the interesting thing is first question comes into the mind, the paycheck at the end of the month, because you everybody have that house EMIs and car EMIs and kids fees, all of that. I also went through all these doubts and deliberations. Yeah, uh, but fortunately, I'm glad that my family and friends stood with me firmly, and my co-founders had my back. That's very crucial thing. And my professional network also morally support me a lot. See, there is one interesting quote by Elon Musk, like baby showers, we have to have entrepreneurship showers. And I don't know, I'm not sure that Elon said it first, but the quote is really interesting. See, basically, like the woman who is entering into her new phase of life with motherhood, believe me, an entrepreneur is also entering into new phase of his life and required all the possible supports. Genuine business showers, uh, genuine business showers actually from friends, family, from network, all the possible supports he can get in the forms of, you can say, wishes, in the form of gifts and a confidence booster. The you can say the most highest level of uh, support which entrepreneur needs, that is business opportunity, and uh, he or she can prove that their idea was worth it, and that's the most confidence booster, you can say best confidence booster for them. All people out there, my message is, please help uh, entrepreneurs around you, and especially when they are in the early stage of their journey. because they will remember you throughout their life.